Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox my Pizza Boy Plush, as you can see here. Yep. Well, I bought it July 10th, as you can see here. Yep. And I think it shipped out on, wait, let me check. It shipped out on September 9th. And yeah, it arrived today. As you can see, it cost me like, oh my god, 190 ringgit, I think. So yeah, let's unbox it. That is actually surprising small. Oh wow, look at that. We got back here. Interesting. Oh shit. Oh my god, that's actually quite cute. Wait. Yep. Here's the plush itself. Wow. Nice. Oh wait, there's a care instruction right here, I think. And should be fine. Oh yeah, he is. Oh wait, he can actually stand. It's actually quite soft, not gonna lie. Well, yeah, I think this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.